How to turn on or turn off extra dim shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Vision Enhancement. After click on Vision Enhancement, scroll down and you will see extra dim is here. Click on extra dim. If you want to turn on or turn off extra dim shortcuts, so if you want to turn on extra dim shortcuts, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see extra dim shortcuts is turned on. If you want to turn off extra dim shortcuts, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see extra dim shortcuts is turn off. You will turn on or turn off extra dim shortcuts from here. After the process, go back to home screen. That's how you can turn on or turn off extra dim shortcuts on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.